gosh. Oh, come on, Mommy. We had
Okay.
I'm thankful for.
How about, you want to sing a song first, honey, about Thanksgiving? Okay.
Yeah, 2 songs.
Okay.
A teepee is my home. A deer skin in and made. Place on top where smoke can go. It stays in far shape. The river runs nearby, and there's my canoe. Paddle up and down the stream beneath the sky of blue. 5 little pilgrims on Thanksgiving Day. The first one said, "Odd cake if you may." The second one said, "Odd turkey roast." Guys, the red part went out. The third one said, "Odd chestnut toasted." The fourth one said, "Odd pumpkin pie." The fifth one said, "Oh, odd blueberry ice pie." Before they ate the turkey and the pumpkin pie, all the pilgrims said thank you.
Yeah.